I got to ask this question. How can people find me via my YouTube channel via my email address? And I'm going to show you how they can do it. I'm going to show you a couple different options. Then I'm going to show you two very important areas of YouTube that you need to manage in regards to what email address you want to be found by. So here I'm logged into YouTube. If I go up here and I just simply type in burrisconsulting.com. Just my email domain, my business domain, and there's all my content, my YouTube channel, and a lot of my videos, and on and on and on. If I put my email address, my business email address, it's basically the same content. It comes up a little bit differently, but it's basically the same content. By the way, if I also put in Billy at Burris Consulting, check it out. It still brings up my stuff, even though there's no such person as Billy at Burris Consulting. Here, I'll try another one. I'll try my buddy Kevin. Do I have that in here? Kevin. And I look for him. Here's Kevin's content right here, based on his email address. If I just put in TNT branding, I basically get the same. No, a little bit different, interestingly. I find him being interviewed there, but I didn't find his channel, which is kind of interesting. I need to go look at that. But if I put his email address, I do find his channel. His videos, I don't find his channel. I might need to ask him about that. I find his videos, but I don't find his channel. That's really interesting. That's the channel right there. So do some practice yourself. Go to YouTube and without being logged in and see what you get. Now, where are the two places that you can control how YouTube shows your videos based on email addresses? Let's go over here to my studio. So I'm in my YouTube studio for Burris Consulting. Using LinkedIn. You go to customization, go to basic information. And you can see I got burrisconsulting.com in there, burrisconsulting.com, but I don't have any email. No email address in here except at the very bottom under contact information, I have YouTube at burrisconsulting.com. That's in my YouTube channel. But you need to pay attention to what email address you use to create that channel, because that also is attached to your channel. Now, the way you do that is you do that from YouTube. Let me go back to YouTube. In YouTube, you go over here, click on the icon on the far right, manage your Google account. That is the email address that is going to be associated with your YouTube channel. So whatever email address you use to create that YouTube channel, and whatever email address you put under your channel, under the studio for people to find on your channel, those two email addresses are directly associated to your YouTube channel, and people can find you based on those email addresses. Now, this is not to say that they're not going to find you based on other email addresses, because YouTube's a social media site, and YouTube is really good at pulling data in and connecting your videos and your channels to lots of other places. And so it is possible you'll be found based on lots of email addresses. But if you don't want to be found on a specific email address, make sure you don't use that email address for YouTube or any other social media. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about using YouTube for using LinkedIn as a business tool and using Google Workspace as business tools. I hope this is helpful for you.